What's up guys, Epic John was on here. We're back with the 2017 Jeep Wrangler Sport. We have floor liners from OEDRO, and these are going to help keep the Jeep nice and clean. So let me take you over here real quick and show you what we're working with. So all you off-roaders or just Jeep owners or just, I guess, people in winter in general, look at all this dirt. It's so messy and it's making the Jeep look terrible. So I needed something to help contain all the dirt. So let's unbox this real quick. So I got some nice packaging. Just here. So it comes sealed. You got here some instructions. But let's open this up. So what we got here are floor liners, which are really cool because they're going to try and contain all the dirt. It comes in a very nice thick rubber material, and it's already got the pre-cut holes for mounting them right into your Jeep. So I'm going to go ahead and put these in, and I'll show you guys what they look like. And just keep in mind, if you guys are first time putting in floor liners, you're going to want to take out your OEM mats, because these points are going to mount right into here. So you're going to want to take out your OEM mats, I guess vacuum it out, and then put your new ones in. Okay, just to give you a look, you just slide right in, and I lined up the holes, and you just push them down, and you're good to go. Okay, so lastly, we're gonna put in the back pieces, the passenger seats. They're a one piece, so it's one long piece. You're gonna have to take out both mats from both sides, which are two pieces. And then again, line up the holes and snap them right in. And so the great thing about this is it's pre-cut, so everything lines up as it should. And literally all you gotta do is line up this hole here and everything conforms right in. I'm gonna have to go to the other side and snap the other piece in. Alright, so there you have it, a quick and easy install from OEDRO. They sent us out the floor liners, which look phenomenal, and I'm sure they're going to function as well. If you have any questions, leave in the comment section below, and I'll be sure to get back to you. I'll also leave the part numbers in the description below so you guys can check out their products and the floor liners if you're interested in getting these same ones. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope it was educational and you can see what the products is all about. Other than that, I'll catch you guys on the next video. See ya!